Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to lock mail without installing apps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Outlook mail. I'm going to click on here to open my Outlook mail. Then having opened up your Outlook mail, next thing you want to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top. It's open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to app lock right here. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. With that, you have locked and secure your Outlook mail without installing any apps. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.